Hello, amazing fourth graders. Oh, I just love working with you. This is going to be a good week. Check it out. Here's the science page for you. This is week 6, so it's the 6th time we've done science work during distance learning, and it's for January 11th to the 15th. Our new science topic is the human immune system. And actually, this is a topic we learn every school year in around January. Now, this right here only shows up on the teacher computer. This is something I'm working on for another week. Scroll down. This is previous week assignments, and I have done something and I have put all of our old assignments in here, and I have locked these assignments. So they should not be showing up when you try to turn an assignment. It has a list of every single assignment. None of these should show up for you. And if you still wanted to turn in one of these assignments, you could send me an email and I could help you get it turned in. But I just didn't want the work overwhelming anyone. So I have locked the old work and only the new work is here. So what's our new work? It's all about the human immune system. And that is an important thing to learn about right now. Oh, look at this. See, it's highlighted this color because you can't see it yet. I better turn this on for you. Yep, I want to publish that for all the kids to see. Right here is the checklist and the introduction, and I'm doing it a tiny bit different this week. I'll explain. I think it'll be easier for kids. That's why I'm doing it different. And just so you know, I have broken our work into 2 chunks, and I'm going to open up the first chunk on Monday and the second chunk on Wednesday. And then you have the whole week to complete those 2 chunks of work. And there's parts inside of them, but I just thought making it smaller, less chunks would make it easier. Our Google Meets are the same, always at 10:30. The code's always HMSCI. And Wednesday is for Miss Khaki, Thursday for Miss Cordum, Friday is Miss Witt. Let's say you're in Miss Cordum's class and your parents scheduled a doctor's appointment for you at 10:30 on Thursday. You are just invited to come show up on Wednesday with Miss Khaki's class, or come show up on Friday. Something like that. If there is a special reason you can't make your Google Meet, you are invited to the other Google Meets. And you can always email me if you have a question about that. Office hours are still daily at 1:30. And some kids come to hang out, some kids come for science help. It's a little different every day. So you are welcome to join in. And if you need help with your science homework, you can come at 1:30 and I will answer all of your questions. I have had kids come and share their screen, and I have stayed with them on that Google Meet until they had all of their science work done. And I'm there every single day. I do open it to all grade levels in the school since I teach all grades, so you will see kids from other grades. All right, so what is our week about? It's the immune system. That's how our body fights off germs. This is just a quick reminder of the Google Meets. Right here, 6.1 is about masks and the coronavirus. It starts with a discussion board. I want to see you doing the discussion board on Monday. I just love knowing that you're getting started on the work. For the discussion board, there's a quick video of Miss Bush talking about my face masks, and then there's a question for you about what you think about wearing face masks. So get started with that right away on Monday. And then what comes next? Well, you could do this all on Monday or on Tuesday. I'm breaking into pieces for you. There is a video and a worksheet. And right over here is where you turn the worksheet in, okay? And it's all explained in the video, no worries. So I will post that on Monday, part 1, and you have Monday and Tuesday to work on it. So then part 2, I will be posting on Wednesday. And then you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday to finish this up. And it's about how do germs get in our bodies. And again, we're going to have a worksheet, we're going to have a video, we will have a discussion board, and that's that. I was trying to add something else for Friday. You can see I just moved it here. I would thought maybe on Friday we could work on this. Is there a best way to wash your hands? But it's Sunday afternoon and Miss Bush doesn't have that part quite ready yet. We'll see. Maybe I could add in a Kahoot or something fun for Friday for our week, but this is what I have prepped for us right now. Breaking it into 2 chunks, lesson 1 and 2, but there's many pieces inside. Have fun. And I hope you enjoy learning about our own bodies and about how our human bodies can fight germs. Any questions, send me an email. Come to office hours. I'm here for you. Uh-oh, I didn't stop the video. How do I do that? I always forget.